So this is Redmi Note 11 with this new Snapdragon 680 processor based on 6nm architecture. Although this processor first launched with Realme 9i, but that device doesn't offer what this does. So let's check what this has to offer. Firstly, this device comes with an Amoled screen, which 9i doesn't. This has dual stereo speakers, which again 9i doesn't. Here the price quoted on the box is 17,999, although this isn't the price which I bought this for. So let's quickly open the box. We got a SIM ejector pin, some paperwork, and a clear TPU case. Oh nice, this device feels light. I didn't expect that. Let's see what else do we get. A USB-C cable and a 33-watt charger, which by the way is a newer one, which Xiaomi is calling as 33-watt Pro fast charger, not the typical 33-watt charger. Now let's put this all to the side and have a look at the device itself. I got this in black and this feels nice to hold in hand as well. The back is not glass, it's plastic. Now let's also look at the physical aspects of this device. To the bottom we have a mic, a USB-C port and a speaker grill. To the right we have volume rockers and a power on off button, which also doubles as a fingerprint scanner. To the top we have 3.5mm headphone jack, secondary speaker, IR blaster and a noise cancelling mic. To the left we have SIM tray, and this will be interesting to see if they have provided a dedicated slot for SD card. And yes, they have provided, that's a good thing. The reason I'm stressing on this because this is the base variant, that's 64GB. Let me also put this case on and see how it looks. Yeah, this is nice. Okay, so here I've set up this device and first impressions here, the device feels smooth, no jitter or lag in the UI. Let's see how much storage do we get out of 64GB. The fingerprint scanner works fine. For this we have two options on this device. One is touch only, then the device unlocks. Other one is press. You need to press the button to unlock. Now let's look at the dual stereo speakers, and the good thing here is they have provided the secondary speaker to the top, so the stereo separation will be very good. Now let's play some copyright free music. Wow, nice. I must admit that the speakers are fantastic for the price. There is also some junk installed on this, and it's good that we can also uninstall it. Now let's see how good are the cameras on this. Like, are they better? So it has 50 megapixel primary camera, 30 megapixel to the front, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and 2 megapixel macro and depth. So overall I feel the camera is nice, but the only problem I found is on videos. So in the video you can only shoot at 1080p 30 fps, not 60 fps. They have not given even an option for 4K. At least they should have provided at 1080p 60 fps. Any which ways, I'll be attaching the camera samples as it is shot on this device. I'll be even attaching the video samples. You judge yourself, how are they? The display quality on this device is fantastic for the price. It has got Full HD plus AMOLED screen with 90Hz refresh rate, which is like very rare at this price. And the viewing angles are also nice.